Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have this question and we have to solve or find out the simplest value of this. So let's start the solution of this question. So this is our main question, and now uh, what most people do, they cancel this 9 with this 9. So after cancelling these 9, so the remaining term over here is 9 into 1 multiplied by 9, and then what they do, they simply multiply this 9 with this, and this equal to 9, and 9 into 9 equal to 81, and they find out the answer of this question is 81. But remember, this 81 is the wrong solution of this question, and this is not the right way to solve this question like this. Why? I will tell you guys now, and I will explain the right solution of this question. So as I told, this is the wrong solution of this question. Why? Because when these terms are in divide, you cannot cancel these terms like this. They can be cancelled when these terms are in multiply. So this was our original question. Now we will write this 9 like this. This is 9, and this 9 over here like this, and then this divided by 1 divided by 9 can be written as like this, and multiply by this 9. And now in the next step we will flip this 1 divided by 9, and we will take this over here, and this will become 9 divided by 1 like this 9, and then this 9, and then this 1 divided by 9 will become 9 divided by 1, and then multiply by this 9. So now this will become 9 this 9, and 9 this one, and 9 divided by 1 equal to 9, and then this 9. Now we will multiply these three nines with one another, so this will become 729, and this 9, and when this 9 multiplies with this, so it is equal to 5661, and this is the right answer of this question. From here you can also write that is 9 exponent 4, which is your answer if you want to write your answer in exponential form. So you can write as 9 raised to the power of 4 is also your answer, and if you write in this form, so this is also your answer. So this is the right solution of this question, and the answer of this question is not 81. So this was all for today. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.